Hello and welcome to another episode from our wonderful channel, the KU Project.
And we're already on the road, currently filling our beautiful car with, what do you call it?
Window wash, so that we can actually film through the window to show you the lovely scenes. As you know, we always have these driving scenes up front with the nice music just to give you a good feeling of the environment.
Yeah, and the weather today is lovely. Sun is shining. It's, I think, 0.5 degrees.
And guess where we're going today? To a place in central Bohemia, where we found on the map a large inland lake. And when we zoomed in further,
we found this abandoned bridge in the middle of the lake. So we decided to check it out and show it to you. And we got soy latte. Yeah?
How without? How without this in our lives? This is decaf.
Oh, okay. And what do we do?
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're finally on our way to this bridge. It's about another 17-minute walk from where we are here in the countryside. And here's these two and that little one. And it was about a 2-hour drive from where we live. And I guess on the way we had to stop, and you know, Julia had to breastfeed the baby, Elijah, and there's a lot of stuff as a parent that you need to take care of that actually makes your trip so much more cumbersome and longer. But yeah, we're doing it. If I'm correct, that bridge is somewhere over there in the little valley, and we'll show you soon. Here we're getting to the entrance of the forest or area that leads to the bridge, and I don't know what they say there, but I think they say just be careful. I'm pretty sure they say just be careful. Don't listen to my wife. Yum yum. What do you have to say? What do you have to say for yourself, Haley? Come on.
Huh?
Come on. Everyone would like to hear what wise words you have to tell them.
Because it's beautiful by here.
But you can't always say it's just beautiful. What else do you think of
Where
this
are
place?
we going?
Huh?
Do you know where we're going?
Going to the river.
Sort of.
Something?
Something.
Okay. I guess that's all she has in the tank for today.
Is this bridge?
Yeah. So we need to get on top of this bridge to cross the bridge to nowhere. How do we... Well, what was this built for? Was this going to be a bypass through here? That's interesting. In the middle of nowhere?
I don't know, like...
Yeah, what?
How do you even get on there?
Here.
I can do it, Mom.
I mean, if so, why do they build in the middle of nowhere first and then go to the rest?
Okay. Maybe we should take him off. I'm afraid. Sure. Yes?
Wait. Oh. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll give you a bar now. Listen, take care of them.
No, listen. You will need my help. Man, I want to.
Right. Yeah, here you go. Whew. Wow, what a climb. Almost impossible, huh?
This bridge
Is it?
is in the middle of nowhere. And I mean, if you're starting to build a road, you're not gonna go to somewhere in the middle and build something there and then go back to point A and then to point Z. It's a bit strange. You'd think that you'd start at point A, work your way slowly toward point Z, or from both sides equally. We didn't see any evidence of anything beforehand. Now making our way through this little bit of a dense forest towards the other bridge. I have no idea if I'm following the right path, but I am trying to figure out where's the most straight way, and hopefully that would be the right way. And what do you know? There appears to be some large mysterious object further down this path, and I wonder what that could be. Could it be that bridge in the middle of nowhere, the large one that we were talking about in the beginning of this vlog? I certainly think so. And has it been reclaimed by nature yet? Has the process started? Well, I guess we are about to find out. This is unlike anything that I've ever seen, to be honest. This is so strange, so weird. Here you go. Here is the bridge to nowhere. Wow. How surreal is this?
It's not, and even it's 2 lanes for 2 oncoming and upcoming traffic.
It's like it was some, you know, time stood still for a long time. There were no people, and
No,
here we are.
It feels like it was just dropped here out of like past.
Obviously, I think it's part of a construction project,
It was never finished.
which was never finished, or they didn't have proper permission, and then everything changed.
Can you imagine how much money went into this project? Just wasted?
Well, we all know how much money our governments like to waste of our taxpayer money. Doesn't matter what country you're in. Why is it that we humans like to come to these type of areas that's halfway eroded, halfway claimed back by nature? There's something to it that really gets us going, or at least some of us. I guess it's those people that love the perfect imperfections. This bridge is also not very equal and straight. Now I don't know if it is eroding or not, or sinking slowly into the lake bed or something. I don't know. You can clearly see a big difference between the 2 levels. Wow, that's it. That's where it ends. Huh? How surreal.
I never seen anything like that. Stay down. I wonder if people swimming at summertime over here, like.
I don't know. They could be jumping in here, because I think there's some concrete reinforcements built in there. I can see it's sort of through the water, and then there's another path there, so it could very well be. I don't know, but I do know that here is very deep, very, very deep. I mean, wow, what a place. I mean, some people consider someone throwing out a rubbish bin on the ground art, or throwing paint on a canvas without even any form of structure art, but this is what we consider art. I mean, look at this bridge. So many stories to be told. So much context to this.
You know this song, as I always tell you, let me take you to the bridge. Well, there's a bridge.
Some of us have better taste in music and we don't listen to that, but let me take you to the bridge. I guess you did. Only certain or local folk know about this place, and obviously as people started to spread the information on the internet, more people found out and they came here. But I'm quite interested, have any of you watching this channel ever been here? If not, have you been to other similar places? Let us know in the comments. I'd be keen, maybe to check that out one day. Let's see if we can see underneath this bridge what the state of it is still like. As you can see, I mean, it's reinforced concrete. It has like rebar in the middle, everything. Still, it can still last for a very long time. And I just wonder how different society would have been in this part, you know, if the bridge was built through here. Maybe there will be less nature, or maybe there would be more businesses around this area. I don't know. So much that a road can change. So much that a road can change. What did you just find out about this bridge?
So Wikipedia says it's unfinished highway bridge, and it's as well known as a Hitler's bridge.
Why? As you can see, the original bridge over this Sedliski River near Borovsko was under construction between 1939 and 1942. It was commenced in 1939 and it was part of the Soviet Union still, but it was halted after the German invasion of the Soviet Union. That is very interesting. And that was scheduled to be converted to, and it was scheduled to be completed or converted to the Nazi war effort, but I guess it never made it. That is interesting. Somehow quite a lot of places that we visit here, not surprising, relates back to the Second World War. And as a matter of fact, there's a town in close to Prague, not far away, called Bozidar or something, or an area, and that was an old Soviet complex, like a whole village or town. But unfortunately it was not maintained, or at least left alone to rot away into nature, but it was bulldozed. So unfortunately we can't explore that and show you what it could have been like, to let your imaginations run wild. And right close to the end of this video, we actually would like to keep the most special information closest to the end for our most, I don't know, avid followers. And
It's almost, it's more than 2,000 subscribers of you guys.
more than 2,000 subscribers.
Yes!
Thank you so much, each and every one of you.
Thank you for your support.
Like, share, subscribe.
Support our little channel.
If you haven't subscribed yet, comment, and you know, so we can get more followers, so it can enable us to do more of this, and share the places that, you know, not necessarily every single person goes to. We want to go to the touristic place, not the non-touristic places, which, you know, everyday people don't always get to see. That's the end of our journey. We'll see you next time.